Hey friends, if you wish to install and use the AVG free antivirus on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first and best method is through the Microsoft Store. You can open it from the icon here or search for it in the Windows search bar and open it. And then search for AVG in the search bar and click on AVG free antivirus and then click on install. Now this is a pretty heavy software, but it's okay. We'll wait till it installs. The other option is through the website. So search for AVG in the Bing search bar, or rather you can say AVG download. And when you reach the AVG download page, click on the download button here. And we have two options. One is the Microsoft one and the one is the AVG one. So click on the AVG one and then on download. Now we have this option for free download here. So click on the free download option. You'll have to wait for a few seconds and then it will start downloading on your system, and then you can save it and then you can open it. Now this is one method, but I always recommend downloading any software through the Microsoft Store. Why? Because the Microsoft Store will check every software product for viruses and malware and will only allow you to download and install it if it is free of the same. Plus it is usually quicker. And here's one more noticeable thing. You must have noticed that Avera and AVG are somewhat similar, and that is because they have a very similar base. So both of them are free as well, and both of them have a similar interface. Both of them have almost similar services. You can download any one of them. I am downloading AVG. Let's see how it works out. Once the AVG antivirus is installed on your system, search for AVG in the Windows search bar and click on AVG protection, and it will need a while to launch. And then it says passive mode is turned on because another antivirus is installed, but we can still scan it. It doesn't matter. You can simply click on the smart scan and it will start scanning your system for issues. But I'll stop the scan now to show you more properties of this amazing software product. So we can go and check for hacker attacks. We can also check other things. I'll click on menu and I will select settings, and I will also show you the statistics of all the attacks that were prevented. And you can check your personal data, if it's protected or not. For example, if the webcam is protected. So here's an interesting thing. A lot of cyber criminals will hack your webcam, and after hacking your webcam they will switch off the light and keep spying on you. And then you can create a shield for your sensitive data, and then you can protect yourself from fake websites. It also offers web and email protection, in which you can protect yourself against web attacks and unsafe downloads, against unsafe email attachments, though it just gives a warning. I've tried that. And you can better up your firewall, and then you can try to protect yourself against hacks. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.